Welcome back. I'm Richard Otto. This is my colleague Joe Elkier, and this is the Gold Spot. You know, Joe, as we close out 2024, there's no shortage of volatility, uncertainty. There's geopolitical tensions. We all know there's problems in Israel, there's problems in the Ukraine. One of the big questions I'm getting from buyers right now is, should I buy gold or should I buy silver?
That's a great question, and we do hear that a lot, Richard. There's definitely not a one size that fits all when it comes to precious metals. And, you know, the more we look at what's going to be a good fit for you, we need to dig into what your needs are, what you're trying to accomplish. Gold and silver have been valuable for thousands of years. And so as we head into volatility, what is important is diversification. Okay, so obviously you don't want all your eggs in one basket. There's a lot of different aspects to gold and silver right now. You know, gold has had an amazing year.
Well, you know, recent numbers are showing us up over 30% here in 2024.
Yeah, definitely. It's been a very big powerhouse. And the projections for both gold and silver are much higher. So we don't need a rocket scientist to tell us that, though. You know, obviously things in the world just kind of give us clues like that. A couple distinguishing factors when it comes to whether you're considering gold or silver. And like I said, it takes a little bit investigation into your needs before we can really pinpoint what is going to be the best fit for you. Central banks have bought more gold this year than they have in the previous 5 decades combined. And so you ask yourself, what do you need all that gold for if you have all the money? So, you know, it's pretty obvious when it comes to that. You know, silver has got some exciting potential as well and could be a huge 2025. Typically, you know, silver lags behind the big moves in gold, 12 to 15 months, kind of on a historic basis. And so we're stepping into what could potentially be a very big year for silver, especially when you look at the supply. The supply for silver has basically been stagnant for about 14 years. Now you throw in this excess demand and, you know, a demand that is going to continue to drive up higher. It's got a lot of potential for silver to be a very big year in 2025.
Well, the common theme that I'm hearing from our clients is that they have excess green cash. They don't trust it. The value of green cash is going down. So the question is, what are they going to put their money in? I'm getting a lot of questions now about Bitcoin, Joe.
I mean, there's no way to avoid it. I mean, you're hearing about Bitcoin everywhere. It just recently went through $100,000, you know, within the last couple of weeks. And the world it's changing very quickly, obviously, and digital currency is going to continue to be a part of it. You know, when it comes to whether you're buying gold, silver, or Bitcoin, you can't really compare gold and silver to Bitcoin. In fact, you know, that's the fundamental reason why central banks don't buy Bitcoin. We're in the business of helping people preserve and protect their wealth, whether it's legacy or, you know, just to realize gains later in life. But ultimately, you know, they're looking for protection. You know, Jerome Powell, when asked recently about whether or not he owns Bitcoin, and he's not allowed to. So, you know, that's the other part of this problem, is that there's a lot of control that comes with cryptocurrencies, with digital currency. So when you're comparing again, it's not really a good comparison. If you're looking to preserve and protect, you know, nothing beats having physical gold, silver in your hand. You know, physical gold and silver are a piece of a mind investment, even if the power goes out. You know, if the power goes out, there's a little bit different problem for Bitcoin.
Sure. Well, you know, our advice is always the same. Don't wait to buy gold. Buy gold and wait.
Go to our website, request information, give us a call. We're happy to answer any questions. We know there's a lot going on, but we're happy to talk through it with you. That's what we're here for. We'll see you next week.
If you enjoyed today's Gold Spot, like or subscribe to both our YouTube and Rumble channels. Also comment below if you have any questions or if you want to hear us talk about a specific topic in a future video.